guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sisam, and in today's video I'm gonna unbox the brand new MacBook Pro 2020. I'm so excited about this, and why not share with my YouTube family, right? I used to have MacBook Pro, I think it was 2012, and I loved it, but somebody spilled water on the keyboard and it went blank on me. Then I switched to Microsoft Windows and it worked fine for me, but when uploading the YouTube video it took forever. When Apple launched its new MacBook Pro with the touch bar, I wanted to get one because it was time to upgrade and it's helpful for my YouTube channel too. Now let's open this beauty. Oh my god, look at this beauty. Love this color, space gray. I got the 13-inch one so that I can travel with. I'm not too techy, but we'll share the basic and the generic info about this. First, let's check what's in the box. It has the cable and some info and the adapter, of course. So let's keep this aside and let's play with this beauty. I bought this online through Apple's website and it took exactly 3 weeks to get my package. Feels so satisfying. Let's open. Ta-da!
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
English, next. For the country, United States, continue. Select your Wi-Fi. Transfer information to this Mac. For right now, let's just select don't transfer any information now. I will do it later if needed. Continue. Sign in with the Apple ID. Okay. Apple ID security. Use two-factor authentication. Continue. While I'm filming, look who's behind the scene. Somebody's being quiet and good boy. Aw, thank you and love you. Terms and conditions, I have read and agree. Anyways, who reads that? Just agree. Setting up account. Let's do the fingerprint for the Touch ID. Touch ID is ready. Apple Pay, I'll set it up later. Continue. Choose your look. Let's do auto and continue. True tone display. Continue. Hey, final step, setting up your Mac. Wow, look at this beauty, simply magnificent. Let's play around the touch bar. Okay, this is for the volume. Forward. Back again. Again, this is for the brightness. This arrow to make it bigger. Okay, this is also for the brightness. This brings the launch pad. Wow, easy. Okay, volume low, high, mute. So far so good, but I still have to play around and customize more. I did upgrade to i7 processor. It has 8GB memory and 256GB storage, which works fine for my work. But I do use external storage for my YouTube videos. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.